The basic elements of music, lesson 31, the melodic and harmonic intervals. Working our way down the list, about 10 more to go. 31, melodic and harmonic intervals. This is a worksheet we will cover. What we're talking about is just the basic distance between notes. And when we are referring to melodic intervals, these are the notes that follow each other. Okay? So one is sounded and then it's followed by another note. So we call that melodic. Okay, the first note is G and the next note is C. So you always count the note that you start with. G is 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are the notes in between G and C. So A and B are in between. So counting from G to C, that gives us the interval of a fourth. Okay, let's go from G to E. Counting G is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are all the notes in between G and E, and that gives us the interval of a sixth. And now there will be a worksheet for harmonic intervals. Okay, so the bottom note here is G, and the top one is C. And harmonic intervals are intervals that are sounded at the same time. Okay. So the distance between G and C is a fourth. Okay. So that's the basic lesson. The worksheets are just to drill you on counting between notes. Can you find the distance between notes? You want to include the note that you start with as 1, and then all of the lines and spaces up to the note that you're calculating. So, and harmonic intervals, again, the distance between the bottom note and the top note, and count the bottom note as 1. And that's the end of the lesson. Next lesson, 32, we will talk about specific intervals, specific distances using those whole and half steps that we talked about in an earlier lesson. So we'll see you in lesson 32.